to TooTallToDrive. My name is Will, and today I'm off to Caffeine and Machine with basically a load of people that I've met through social media, and I can't wait. I'm super excited, and let's get on with it. So without further ado, I'll introduce you to the cars that are going to be there. Right then, so I've made it to the location where I'm meeting up with the first couple of boys. So just to give you an idea of the cars that are coming with us today, we've got a BMW M2 competition and a 30th anniversary MX-5. It's actually a JDM day at Caffeine and Machine, so we're not really in the right place, but luckily we do have a JDM car coming with us. These are the two that we're going up to Morton and Marsh to meet with a load of other people, and then from there we're going to carry on and continue to Caffeine and Machine. But yeah, we got one in front, W22WND on Instagram, if anyone's interested with his M2 comp. We went out to Oxford not that long ago, so I am very, very excited about today. I absolutely love the last time we went. I just had the best time ever, so I'm just super excited. I'm basically like a kid excited for their first day of school, except it's not school, it's better, it's Caffeine and Machine. So yeah, I'm currently cruising down. I'm currently lacking behind a bit because I was faffing around with the cameras, but anyway, we will catch up with the rest and continue onwards. Catch up with you all in a bit. Bye for now. Right then, so we are heading off now to Caffeine and Machine. We all caught up and catched up and whatnot. Obviously no one has seen my Jag, so yeah, really happy that I've got it. Lovely that it's absolutely ruined. You can't really see it, I've just ruined it all basically, so it doesn't make sense. But yeah, we're going to follow out all these people. This M3 is mad and sounds incredible. Right, I don't want to be too far behind, so we're going to head out. But yeah, we've got the M3s, the Golf Rs, the M135i and the JDM MX-5. I can shut my door, that'd be good. Right, because of obvious reasons, I'm not very good at driving and filming. We won't be doing this for long. Speed bump to get out of here. Right then, I will catch everyone up when we get to Caffeine and Machine. Right then, we have arrived at Caffeine and Machine. As you can see, the sign just here. The car park is already looking pretty full. I need to get my ticket out, to be fair. But yes, we have arrived. I am absolutely buzzing. But anyway, we'll get onto that in a second. As we enter the car park, there is gonna be some special stuff here today, I think. Right then, so we've arrived at Caffeine and Machine. There's not too many people here at the moment, but there will be people as things arrive. Usually at the front, so obviously whatever theme it is, they'll have them up here. So you've got JDMs, you've got GR Yaris up there, Honda NSX, S2000, Matt's MX-5. I don't know what that is though, with the going doors. It's pretty incredible. But yeah, Caffeine and Machine, if you haven't been here before, honestly, you need to get down here. As a car fan, it is epic. Turbo. Oh, oh, here we go, it's Steph ABTV. They're arriving, how you doing? How are you? Yeah, good man, you? Nice. Wow, that was a good timing. Right then, so this is the lot with Steph ABTV. So you got Steph ABTV and his M3 just arrived. Lotus Elise, M2s. There's 80 cars here in total, so I'm probably not going to film them all, but yeah, we'll see how we get on. Right then, so we got Mr. H Cars turning up as well. And behind him is mate Tab as well. Here's McLaren 570S. Very cool. First time I've seen this car. I've seen it on the YouTube channel. If you haven't checked out Will's channel, I'll put a link down below if you're interested. Check out Will's channel. Features the 570S, which is very cool. Right then, so I did mention earlier I'm on the GoPro. I'm with Tab here, who has a beautiful 570S, and we just did a bit of a cut for his video. But Tab is your 6'6".
6'6", that's
6'6",
right, yeah.
so inch shorter than me. But yeah, I actually just sat in this and I do fit, which is pretty impressive. So there is hope at the end of the tunnel for people who are tall who want to buy supercars.
I'll get the proof on the channel for you.
Yes, yeah. If you want to see me fit into this, make sure you check out his channel. I'll put the link in the description below or something like that, and you'll be able to find him nice and easily. But yeah, what's it like having a McLaren?
Yeah, awesome. Lots of fun, very playful front end, great to drive. Just really enjoy it. I've had no real issues with it. So it's
yeah, we were just chatting about that. I mean,
a lot of negative press, unfortunately, for these things.
A lot of negative press.
The car, and I just think it's people in Ferrari land and Porsche land that might be a little bit bitter that McLaren have come out with such great cars that perform so brilliantly. But yeah, it's an absolutely phenomenal car. It does turn a lot of heads though. You've got to be ready for that. I wasn't quite expecting the amount of attention that it would get, but hey,
it's not always a bad thing, to be honest.
Get this quite a lot when you're driving down the road and there's a group of kids and they say rev it, and you have to remind them that it doesn't come with a clutch that you can disengage at any point.
Yeah.
But you can't just rev it like that.
It's rev and move.
It's normally in gear, so be careful. But yeah.
Yeah. Much Tab. I'll catch up with you in a bit.
Take care, Rob.
Right, there's not many people know, but before I got my new car, I definitely considered an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. I think they're just incredible cars, and to be honest, it's basically a Ferrari saloon, which is why I'm so obsessed with it. But also uncommon. You don't see many of them. I think this is the first one I've seen out in public. And you got a green one here with the yellow lights, which is I'm a big fan of, to be honest. Definitely a wrap as well, because I'm pretty sure they don't come in green like they do. But yeah, big fan of these. And yeah, I mean, check out these. Look at that. That is honestly, and the noise from these is phenomenal. That's sick.
Give it some, give it some.
So yeah, everyone knows that I would have had a 4C, which, you know, this is a massive update to the 4C, but what an epic car. What an epic car. I would love to get one of these in the future. I must say, compared to the M3s and the M4s, this is definitely a bit of me. Right, I'm gonna power this down for this gentleman. But yeah, wow. Right, I'm not sure I'm going to get much content out of this anymore because my camera's dying and I don't really have a solution, although I do have my phone, so I could move on to that if I wanted to, but I'm not sure if I will. So what I will do is I'm going to sign out the video here. Hopefully you've got an idea for Caffeine and Machine. It's basically whatever car you've got, just turn up and enjoy cars. For me, it's just chatting about cars for 24/7. My missus is bored of listening to me chat about cars, so this is basically my holiday. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. There will be more videos coming. I will promise I'll get some videos of the Jag and the exhaust of that, because it is intoxicating, and I apologise to the people of Chipping Norton that I woke up at 8 AM as I put it in first and floored it through the village. Other than that, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.